Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to sideload apps to a Chromebook. Firstly, ensure your device is powered and on and you're on the sign in or home screen. Press and hold escape plus refresh, then press the power button. When the recovery message appears, press and hold the Ctrl plus D. A warning message will appear. Just press the up arrow, then select confirm and press enter to proceed. After the reboot, a message will appear. You are in recovery mode. Press Ctrl to dismiss the message. Now, open Chrome and visit the trusted APK site like APK Mirror to download the app you want. Open the Files app you want on your Chromebook and locate the downloaded APK file. Double-click the file and launch the installer. Select Install and wait for the process to complete. Once installed, the app is ready to use on your Chromebook. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.